Hey, so if your files are not importing into Darktable, yeah, that can be really frustrating. You try to import and either nothing happens or the files just don't show up. The good news is this usually comes down to a few simple issues and we can fix them step by step. Alright, first, go to the Lightable view and click Add to Library or Import. Then select either a folder or specific files. If you skip this step or use the wrong option, the files won't appear. Now, check your file format. Darktable supports RAW files in common formats like JPG and PNG. If your file format isn't supported, it simply won't import. If your files are stored in a restricted folder, Darktable might not be able to access them. Try moving your files to a normal location like Documents or Pictures and import again. Yeah, so Darktable won't import the same file twice. If the file is already in your library, it won't show again during import. Try using the search bar to find it. If the import process freezes or fails, it might be a GPU issue. Go to Preferences, open the Processing tab, and disable OpenCL. Then restart and try again. Low disk space can also cause import issues. Make sure your system drive has enough free space before importing files. If nothing works, update Darktable to the latest version or reinstall it completely. This can fix bugs that prevent importing. One last thing, try importing a different file. If only one file fails, it's probably corrupt or unsupported. So yeah, that's how you fix file import issues in Darktable. Go step by step, and your images should start importing without any problem. Hey, so